Hello guys, welcome to the channel Analyst Guide. In today's video, I'll be covering another topics about string methods. About the string data type. In previous video, I've explained what is string and also few topics related to string. In today's video, I'll be explaining about remaining topics related to string. In today's video, I'll be explaining about string methods and also string conversions. Okay, so let us quickly begin with the video. Uh, in string methods, we have these type of methods like is alpha, is digit, is all num, and other method. I've already written the code in Jupyter Notebook. So let me explain about each and everything in Jupyter Notebook. Let us go to Jupyter Notebook. Yeah, so we have a string here, right? That is, sorry. So yeah, that is a is equals to hello world. Like in a variable, we have the string hello world. Okay. So for is alpha, it will help us in checking if all the characters in string are alphabets or not. So in the variable a, all the characters in string are alphabet. So the output we got as true. So these methods will return the what do we say? Will return the output in the format of Boolean values, so that the output will be either true or either false. Okay. So the is alpha is used to check whether all the characters in string are alphabets or not. So similarly, the what do we say? The is digit is used to uh, check whether all the characters in string are numerical values, that is digits or not. Okay, so in the second example we are getting false for hello world. Why? Because there is space. So the Python will not consider this space as what do we say, this space as alphabet. So we are getting false here. Okay, now here we have 1 to 1 to abcd. Okay, so we are using is alpha, is digit, and also is all num. Okay, so is alpha is used for checking whether all the characters are alphabets or not, and similarly is digit is used for checking whether all the characters of string are digits or not. So the isolnum works like uh, it will show us true when the string object has both alphabets and also both what do you mean alphabets and also digits. So when the string object contains alphabets and digits, we can use is all num and it will give us true as output. Okay, now we have is upper and is lower. These are used to uh, find whether the characters of alphabets are capital letters or smaller letters. So if we use is upper, it will show us true when the all characters in string are capital letters, and when we use is lower, it will show us whether all the characters in string are smaller letters. Okay, so if in case the letters are smaller letters, and when we use is lower, we'll be getting output as true. Okay, like you can see here in the example. Okay, so it's here we have all smaller letters, so we are getting true for is lower. Okay, now when we convert this into capital letters, we'll be getting true for is upper. Okay, now here we have find e, right? I mean find method. So it will help us finding the index value of certain character in string. Okay, so here we are trying to find the index value of e. So we are getting the output as 1. You can you can also see my previous video. I have explained about index values of strings. Okay, like you can check out the previous video, part 4 of Python. Okay, there you will, there I'll be explaining about what do you say, index values and also about strings. Okay, now here we have a replace method. So we are replacing the letter a with e using the replace method of string. Okay, so here I have given computer. I mean I used a instead of, a instead of e. So I have replaced a with e. So I got output as computer. Okay, now strip. So we have strips. So strip is used for removing white spaces from a string. Okay, so white spaces are nothing but normal spaces in a string. Okay, so it will not remove the spaces present between string. It will only remove the spaces before and after completion of string. Okay, before creating string and also completion of strings, such as here we have in this example we have a white space before computer and a certain white spaces after computer. So it will remove all the white spaces. Okay, and in strip we have two types such as L strip and R strip. So L strip is used for removing what do you say, white spaces from the left side, and R strip is used for removing white spaces from the right side. Okay, so like that we'll be using the strip method, and we have here split method. Okay, so split and partition, right? So split is used for splitting the string into certain parts. Okay, like it will give us output in the form of list. Okay, so here I took two examples, that is A and B. Okay, in A I have hello space world, and in B I have 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so here I'm directly printing A dot split, right? So it will split the characters, I mean it will split the string into certain, what do we say, certain parts where wherever the occurrence of white space is there. Okay, so here there is first occurrence of white space, so it will split the uh, string here. Okay, it will split the string here. Okay, so hello will be separated and world will be separated because we have not mentioned any character in split. Okay, whereas coming to B, we have mentioned the character comma, so it will split the B into three parts because we have what do we say, commas here and here, right? So it will split the string whenever a comma occurs in the string. Okay, like that we'll be using split method. And coming to partition, the partition is used for splitting the string in what do we say, in three parts only. So whatever you type, the output will be printed into three parts only. Okay, so here I have apple hyphen banana hyphen carrot hyphen uh, yeah, that is the our string. Okay, that is our string. So I printed a dot partition of hyphen. Okay, so it will print this hyphen in the first occurrence only. I mean that it will only separate the first occurrence of the hyphen. So the output is apple comma hyphen comma banana hyphen carrot hyphen. Okay, so only the first occurrence will be printed separately and all other will be going into uh, third split. Okay, so apple is first split, the first occurrence of hyphen is second split, and all the remaining splits and characters are third split. Okay, like that the partition will be working. Okay, here we have covered all the string methods. Okay, now we have string conversions. So in string conversions we have five conversions. One is upper, another is lower, another is capitalize, another is title, and another is swap case. Okay, so upper is used for converting a string into capital cases, I mean capital letters. Lower is used for converting letters into smaller letters. Okay, so converting smaller letters into, I mean converting capital letters into smaller letters. Okay, you can check the examples here. So I have a is equals to hello world in lower cases, so I am converting it into capital letters by using a dot upper. Similarly for here I have capital hello, so it is, I am converting it into smaller hello by using a dot lower. Okay, so here we have capitalize, right? So capitalize will help us in transforming the first character of a string into capital letter. So even if I write hello world, I am coder, it will only transform the first letter of the first letter of the string into capital letters. So the title will also work similar to the capital S, but it will convert all the first letters. Okay, so it will convert all the first letters of each string. Okay, so here hello is one string, John is one string, and is one string, and Steve is one string, right? So it will convert all the first letters of these strings into capital. So the output is hello John and Steve, right? So H is capital, J is capital, A is capital, and S is capital. Like that, the title will be working. And the last conversion is swap case. So if the input string is in smaller letters, it will convert into capital letters. And if the input string is in capital letters, it will convert into smaller letters. Okay, like that, the swap case will be working. So yeah, that is about our string methods and also string conversions. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. In case of any doubts, you can mention it in the comment section, and also in case of any inconvenience in my explanation, or if I need any improvement, please do let me know in the comment section. So yeah, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.